Okay, today is going to be a good day because look at this. Look how cute this is. And you can make this too. This is a KitKat purse SVG. Now, you don't have to put KitKats in it, but this is a cute little purse. This is for adults, young ladies, kids. You can decorate this however you want. Now, I did this in a Gucci theme, but you don't have to use a Gucci theme inspired. And here's one where I decorate. Look at that. I will wear this. This is so cute. So it's a couple materials that I use. The file is very easy. Now, if you don't make paper crafts yourself and you need me to make it, you know where to do and where to go. You can go to the party crafter and we can make it for you. But if you can make these yourself, this file is so easy. And you can use different materials. You guys, you know, I like using different materials to make things look realistic. So that's one of the things as far as that this channel I will be teaching you. So make sure you subscribe so you can learn all the tips and things that I do to make simple SVGs like this look real. So as I always say, let's get the crafting. Let's start the learning. Here we go. Come on. Okay, we're about to get into this now. These are the pieces that I have to make the KitKat purse party favor, and this template is really easy. Now I am using a Gucci theme. I do not sew this logo, but you guys can either find this from, far as pattern paper, go to like Etsy or online. But I created my own pattern paper and I printed this out. This is on 8.5 by 11 and I'm using Canon matte, so I wanted to do that. And I have some extra cardstock. Now for my purse, I'm going to be doing it in a metallic. You don't have to, and as you saw in the other designs, you can design this however you want. But this SVG has a couple pieces and you can design it however you want. So we have our overlay pieces, our side pieces, our main pieces, and these are decorative. So for this, I'm going to be using, you can either use double-sided tape. I'm going to be using advanced tape glider, and I got my foam folder, and I got some chain. I get this by, this is what, gold? Yes, anyway, this is one here, and this all can be found on the Amazon storefront. And it got these little hooks, and I'll show you. So, let's get started. And usually I like to fold my pieces, but I like to make sure everything is laid out right before I start putting adhesive on it. There's nothing like starting to make a mistake. And there you go. So everything is perfect. So let me move that over. Now you can use the adhesive, or you can use, you know, I use like the spray. Just make sure everything is lined up. No right or wrong. You don't even have to put the overlay on this if you don't want to. I think it adds a special touch. That's just my personal opinion. And normally, if I'm doing the score lines, I like to fold them out, but I want to put the overlay on top of this first. Now, if you're watching how to assemble the KitKat party favor first, but you need to know how to add the score lines, go watch the video how to download, extract the file, and add score lines. That's a separate video. I like to get as much as possible on here. So, it's all just about lining it up. Oops. I made a mistake. That's one good thing about this. If you know your adhesive, you can take it off. You have a certain period of time to remove it. That's why you gotta know your papers. looking down. And it's all about the details, the little details. That matters. Now for me, and with this file, you get commercial use. I probably would be using adhesive spray. That's just me, a little more easier. And I like this metallic. To me, it makes, like, I would wear it when I'm designing these party favors. I'm thinking about, oh, would I wear this? So now we're going to bend our score lines. And I'm only doing this because I did my overlay on here. So actually, you almost even have like a clutch too, you know. But now we're going to add our sides. Oh, before we add our sides, I'm going to bend the sides. I'm going to do my overlay first. I'm going to show you why. And this is my corners. You get 2 of these. I'll do these last. And for this part, I'm going to do my overlay and I'm going to show you. This is one part on here that I did first. So here. Put this in the middle. I use spray adhesive for this. You do not have, this is just extra. You do not have to add this. Let me tell you. Because I like everything to lay flat. Now this is me. You can either start with your sides, but I want to bend with this. Here. Okay. I want to bend with this. So it doesn't really matter. And you'll see what I mean. Because if I was to put these sides on and start, then I couldn't, because these will be stuck. So I don't. So I want this to be even. And for me, I'm going to curve it inside. So and the reason why I didn't add score lines on this is optional, and everybody is not going to. So here. Line things up. So I'm going to fold this and you'll see, because you won't even see this. So with me, I take it and bend this here, bend that there, bend, 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 bend. So theoretically, I already have how this works. That's just how I do it. You don't have to do it this way. That's how I do it. And it lines up perfect. I may put score lines in there, but let's see. I want to line this up right in the middle. You see how I did this? And see how it's lining up where the bends? And that's it. So I'm starting to get this and everything lined up. Now we get ready to do our sides. So here. So now let's do our sides. So we're going to fold this here. So then you have this. You don't have to put a KitKat in here. You can, if you can get something else in here, but I was just thinking about a KitKat. I don't know, who doesn't like KitKats? And if you want me to make any other party favors, drop it in the comments. Guys, you know I love my bone folder. This thing here, I suggest you get. This helps lay things flat. So now we have our purse, but now I'm going to decorate it up. Now you don't have to, you can just do this and put a snap. That's up to you. Like if you want to hang them up on a display or something, you can. Yeah. And be careful. I probably could use some wire cutters and just take this off. But since this thing here, I'm just looking for the opening of the hook. Wouldn't want to be bleeding on YouTube. There you go. And for those that want to know, so this is over 12 inches. It's like 12 and a half, so you can do that. So this is one thing that I really like. These are these little hoops. You can get them jewelry things. Have the little clasps in there. So what I do is I just put this in here. And I gotta see where this thing is. This thing's so small. Perfect. And then you do them like this. So you guys, and you can see here. So when it's in there, so it's not falling out. And the only thing you're doing is opening this part. And make sure your chain is not twisted. So here, there. Put that there. That clasp there. And so here, we start here. So, but now, since we're going to decorate this up, I got the Gucci logo. And I got some small foamies. You can get these little square ones. You don't need that many. And just make sure the foamies not coming, hanging off the edge where people can see them. I'm doing two because I like a higher 3D effect. So, that there. And there you go here. So you have to have a lot of different types of like adhesive foamies, because it depends on, like, you need smaller ones, big ones, circles. So this one gives it that effect. $3D far as effect, because 3D it's risen here. So now I'm gonna do here. And there you go. We are done. We got KitKat. You put your KitKat in there, guys, and you can get this SVG. Everything is in the link, even far as some of the supplies I use to make this, and we are done. That was quick and simple. How cool is that?